Hello everyone and welcome to a very special Edinger travel video. This is my first bit of travels from the 2019 year. Very exciting. Now, I've traveled to a lot of different places, and I've traveled to many cold places, but none of which have really, challenged my body to see how much cold it can endure until today. Today, I'm headed to the province of Quebec in Canada. Now, you might not know, Canada's really cold, okay? You can't take this type of cold lightly. As someone from New Jersey, I've definitely experienced a lot more cold than London, where it gets down to -1 maybe, and people go, oh. Jersey would get down to in Celsius, maybe -8. Well, I just checked the weather. It's gonna be -22. Whoa! On average, this whole week in Quebec. Very excited. So, I've had to get a lot more things than I usually would get for this trip. So, here's me packing my suitcase. Love a good time lapse. Your underwear, your socks, your woolen socks, your long johns, don't know why we call them that. Also, don't forget, got some extra jumpers and t-shirts in there to make sure we stay warm, wick the heat off, and I've also got some new boots to make sure that I'm not going to slip on the snow, and I've also got a Ravenclaw scarf covering up, a nice beanie hat, some gloves, and a coat that can withstand temperatures up to -32. All right, we're going hard today. We're going hard for Quebec. We gotta take this seriously. I'm so excited to experience this. Let's head to Heathrow. Bye, Connie.
Bye.
Bye, avocado.
Bye, cat food.
No. It's been cold in London recently, but luckily not that cold, but I'm still wearing this coat. Feels pretty good. Looking forward to feeling how it feels once I get there.
Customer service update. There is a book service operating on all London Underground lines.
Maybe a bit late. I accidentally got off at Terminal 123 and then had to take a free transfer, so flight might be leaving in an hour. I've just gone through security, and the first thing that I'm greeted with is the Harry Potter shop. We get a little Hedwig.
I think she would have won.
I don't know who would want Dobby, but okay. Oh my god, that's so nice. When I was just passing through security, I had this awkward thing there. I couldn't find my belt. I didn't know where it had gone, and the belt obviously got stuck. They had to do a whole check. They're like, where is it? We don't have it. It was hanging from my coat the whole time. I'm joking. Gotta go Montreal all the way to the end of the airport to get to my gate to Montreal. Okay, let's reach. Why am I always so late? I don't understand it. How do I do this every time? What is this? I gotta get on a bus? What is this? What is this? Oh, there it goes. Oh, there we go. Ta-da. Made it. Alright, so I've made it to Montreal Airport. I've gotten my luggage, and I've just realized since my phone does not work in Canada, it works in a lot of countries, but no signal in Canada, sadly.
Just dropping the British Airways flight number 95.
That was me! Well, guess what? I'm just gonna have to go outside and hope that I'm gonna have someone there with my name. It's me! Oh my god, this is honestly the coldest I've ever experienced. It's like bitingly into my being, into my entire soul cold. Alright, I got my car. We're on the street. There's gonna be a really big snowstorm tonight, so my car came equipped with one of these. I haven't seen one of these in so long, since I owned a car in Jersey and had to scrape the snow and ice off the windshield every day. Oh boy. Excited for that tomorrow morning. Tomorrow starts early. Alright, so I think I must have done something wrong with my GPS because it all of a sudden spouted, go off-road. What? No? This is where I've had to park. It is so snowy, and I'm so scared it's gonna snow tonight, and I am not gonna be able to get out of this. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh, well, that's a surprise. Break fast. I'm so excited to sleep. Jet lag slightly hitting me right now. It is whoa, 3 in the morning. Oh boy. Oh boy. What an entrance. We've now made it. I think I'm gonna get some sleep immediately and snap into tomorrow. We got a full day driving, snowstorm. Let's go. That was a bad snap. Alright, so I'm up a little bit early because you know what? Jet lag's hit, and I was like, why don't I go to the gym? So, let's go. Okay, so now my legs feel like jello, and it's time to pack up, get on the boots, and let's drive on out of here because it looks like the storm has not hit yet, so maybe I'm lucky, maybe I'm not snowed in. Let's head to our next destination. Safety first, don't forget to wear a seatbelt. Let's go to Otimanjuaizu. I need to learn how to pronounce that. Alright, my legs are killing me. After a long snowstorm-filled drive, I've now made it to the Nordic Spa. I love these little lights they have going on here, and I'm sure that if it wasn't covered in snow, those chairs would be a lovely place to sit. Loving that ASMR Canada crunch. Alright, time to suit up. So I'm currently swimming in a sauna that is covered in snow. You get hot, you get cold. I am hot, not cold at the same time. Usually most people associate hammocks with hot weather. This sauna has insulated heated hammocks. I'm curious. Did you hear about the blind man that went to the spa? Turns out he saw nothing. Saw nothing. So there's a specific sauna here called Aufgas, which is a German word for infusion, in which you go into this big group sauna. They have these snowballs where they infuse them with different scents, such as lavender. They smash them over the rocks and then fan it around. That is the hottest sauna I've ever experienced. And every time the guy would whip the towel around, I was getting hit in the face with such heat. It felt like I'd opened up like an oven, and I was just like, you know, like when, gosh, make a dang. Usually I'm not a hot sauna type of guy. I'll take one of these. I'll take a hot tub any day. But as soon as I walked out of there, I don't know, I just felt so incredibly refreshed. I kept going. I can't make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but I did. And quite an amazing experience. Wow. Fun fact, this is the second biggest spa in all of North America. It's pretty crazy. Also, I got a chance to do this really cool saline bath. Basically, it's like floating in the Dead Sea. No matter what you do, you're gonna float. This time, didn't have any pain. You know, didn't have any eyes open underwater or anything like that, but yeah. I like that there's so many different hot tubs you can go to. Also hope you're enjoying the mild jazz. Also, I'm sorry I didn't know how to pronounce Outaouais. I now know how to do it. I was Outaouais off. You could say. Okay. The music playing right now is the default YouTube music called Fireside. It's copyright free. I love it. I just can't believe it's in a sauna. It fits. It fits. Oh, back and bundled up, back in the car. Oh my God. It goes hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Now just cold, cold, cold. Welcome back to Canada, everyone. We're gonna go Outaouais out. That pun's never gonna not make me laugh. To get some nice lunch. Have you guys heard of the park where I'm going to right now? Oh man, you got to know it. Because it's Gatineau Park. Too easy! French onion soup looks so good. Oh, thank you for the welcome. That's very nice and Canadian of you. Well, we're now in Gatineau Park. You gotta know I'm gonna put on some snowshoes. I've never done snowshoeing before. I thought it was just something from cartoons where you put on tennis rackets or something, but no. We're gonna do it, and it allows us to walk on incredibly deep snow by spreading out the surface area. Let's go. Here we go. We got our classic snowshoes here. Time to figure out how to put them on. This is so cool. Woo! Oh. I shouldn't have done that. So Gatineau Park has loads of snowshoeing trails just like the one I'm on right now. This one's only like 1 kilometer long, but I get some snowshoes, go for a walk. It's a lot more energy draining than usual because not only do I have these heavy boots on, but I have these heavy snowshoes on, and all right. Oh my God. Wow. You know, these transition lenses are really cool for the summer, but I just kind of look weird with them now. The snow is so bright, it's actually tinting these all the way. So this day couldn't get more action-packed, except it is about to, because I'm gonna go to a cabin to hang out with some actual wolves. Let's go. It has already covered my windshield in snow. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I've now just gotten to my accommodation tonight, which when I was told I'd be sleeping with wolves, I didn't really know what to expect, but I'm about to blow your mind. I am literally sleeping here in these lovely beds, right here, with a giant window to just big old wolves. I don't want pizza for a girl, I want pizza for boys. Stupid pun.
That's okay.
Well, I'm back from quite a big dinner, and now I am just pooped. Honestly, so much stuff I did today. I honestly can't believe it. Tomorrow, I'm spending a full day here exploring all of the crazy cool stuff that's going on in this area. There's loads of cool animals that I'm going to get to see and get photos of. If you haven't followed my Instagram yet, you wouldn't have seen all the cool Insta stories and Instagrams I'm putting up, so bing, promo. But I mean, I don't have Wi-Fi right now, so it is 7 p.m. The jet lag is going to kick in. I'm going to go to sleep now so I can wake up early, start the day, see some cool animals. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe. I'm making new videos all the time, every time I'm traveling, which we're doing right now. I'm so excited for the rest of this trip. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed my first comeback to the travel channel. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.